this is more of a race book than it is a sports and race book, in my opinion, because every seat has a TV. Normally, that's what you do for race sports horse racing. They don't even have the World Cup on, do they? I don't know. Those pictures are so fuzzy. Yeah. Let's just call it like it is. This is a shitty sports book. Those are projection media up there. You can only, that one over there on the left looks good. The rest of them like crap. Look worse than something you would have seen in 1960 at your grandma's house, sitting on shag carpet with bugs crawling all over you. Good bugs, though. Oh, there's Bingo. Forgot about Bingo being out here. It's not bad, but it, come on, dress it up a little bit. I mean, talking about this looks like a break room at the DMV. It's just depressing. Put some fake trees in there or something.